Hello everyone, my followers, my elite audiences, I love you, and I'm here back again with my today's kind of explanatory thing about slangy vocabulary Russian words as always. And the set of words of today will be, actually the first word of today will be Головняк. Головняк is something you get for no reason why. It's like your personal headache, or it's like a pain in the ass, and whatever you would call it. It might be more resembling slightest mishaps that happen to you, again, just arbitrarily, spontaneously, and you may call that головняк. Головняк. Я получил головняк. I've got those mishaps, and I have to deal with that. Once again, головняк is the general definition for things like pain in the ass, troubles, your personal headache, whatever it would be related to. It could be, it's like not a literal headache that you're having because of being ill or sick or whatever. It's your problems that drill your mind, and you're about to cope with that problems, and in that case you may say that you have головняк. I guess that's clear. We've got it out of the way, and we can advance with our second word of today, which is definitely приблуда. Приблуда, if you remember, I explained not so long time ago, kind of thing that фигня. Фигня, it's more general definition, but приблуда, it's like a physical item designed for specific but unknown goal, and you may use that item in order to cope some maybe errands, or to achieve some results, or maybe to handle with some situation or device. And that's tiny, like slightly more complicated. That's something more simple. That simple thing. And приблуда is like slightly more complicated. That let's say a nail or a stone. It's like comprised of several different items, and all these set of things mentioned above serves for solving particular goal, or reaching some maybe solution, or solving some maybe coding program. You may be a programmer yourself, and you're achieving some particular goal. Let's say you're about to comprise some code that will work well for particular goals, and you may use some приблуда. It's like slightest section of code that is about to solve that particular problem that you are trying to solve, and to bring you some particular result. It might be not related to programming at all, but it might be related to everything. Maybe you're about to just repair and fix some stuff in your apartment, and you buy something with a known purpose of its existence at a local mall. Let's say some tricky mechanism that is about to help you to solve that problem. In that case, you may call that stuff, that item that you bought on that mall, and that set of things, it's like приблуда. Приблуда serves for solving particular issues, and it might be like I said, like related to mental something, like let's say some tiniest piece of knowledge that you can apply in order to solve that problem and to reach that solution, is in a case of programming thing. If this tiny section of code you may call приблуда. And you also may call whatever it would be physical item, but not the simple one, that one that is made of several different items, and all the set of those items serve for a particular situation, for solving and handling a particular situation. In that case, you may also call it приблуда. it's been slightly complicated, but I tried to explain you in a more simple form as I only could do. And the last and the not so commonly used, actually slangy vocabulary Russian thing is прокатило. Though I should say that it's in common use on an everyday basis. Прокатило means that you reached a particular goal and you applied certain tools and that worked out. Probably in a way that you cheated someone or maybe used some tricks not so honest and fair as it could be, and that nevertheless worked out and that helped. And instead of saying that helped, that worked out, in a case that you maybe not using those items in a fair way, you may say прокатило. Once again, прокатило, that helped, that worked out. I tried to be as explanatory as I could, and despite the late time of the evening, I tried to bring you some more slangy Russian things as always, and I'll be on it in a recent term, in a short run, in a middle run, in a long run. I'll be with you. Thanks again for watching my channel. That's it about tonight. Take care. See you all. Bye.